Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install WSL and Ubuntu on a Windows system. So let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to type PowerShell on your search bar. Then you need to do right click and run as administrator. Then you need to type WSL -L -O -L -O. So this will give you the list of all the value distribution that are available. So so for example, you need to install say Ubuntu 22.02. So you can type WSL -install -D and then name of this distribution. And then once you hit enter, it will get installed. Once installed, you can check the version of your WSL by typing WSL -L -V. So you can see the WSL version running is 2. If your version is showing up here as 1 and if you want to change it to 2, so you can type WSL set default version space and then the name of the version that you want to convert it into. So 2 is the latest version, so I would advise you to keep it 2, but if it is 1, you can type this command, hit enter, and then that should work. Now let's see if WSL has been installed or not. So we'll let WSL. So you can see WSL has been installed on a system. Another thing that you can do is, which is optional, is to install a Windows terminal. So you can go to the Windows Store and type Windows terminal, and you can install this as well. So if I'll type terminal, so you can see we have a Windows terminal, Ubuntu on our Windows terminal. So the benefit of this is that you can open anything. You can open Windows command prompt and PowerShell, everything over here in the terminal itself. You don't need to open different apps for different terminals. So this is a benefit of installing Windows terminal. So I hope you found this video helpful.